Hey everyone, welcome to a new section in the course. This section is all about audio, choosing the right microphone and how to use that microphone for your shoot. First, remember what our microphone options are. We have lavalier microphones, shotgun microphones, onboard shotgun microphones, internal microphones, or studio or USB microphones. So one of the first things you have to think about is who is going to be recorded. Do you have one person speaking? Do you have multiple people speaking? If you're shooting a talking head video or an interview of just one person, you can really use any type of microphone. A lavalier microphone can be a great option if they're just sitting down or even if they're moving around. A shotgun microphone is also a great option if they're just sitting in one location, or if they're moving around, you could get away with using a boom operator. If you're just in front of your computer, a USB microphone or a studio microphone is a great option. For projects where you're shooting multiple people in the same shot, you might have to get two lavalier microphones so that you can record high quality sound for each person. If you are using a boom microphone, you might need a boom operator to be able to move the mic between the people when they're talking. The other thing you have to think about is where your camera is going to be and what your camera composition is going to look like. If you're shooting a big wide scene of someone outdoors or just a scene where a person is smaller in frame, you might not be able to use a shotgun microphone because it's going to have to be in frame to get great audio. So in that case, a lavalier might be a great option. But if your composition is closer and you're tighter in on your subject, a lavalier or shotgun might work. Even if you're shooting in a quiet location with your camera not too far away from your subject, the internal microphone could be a viable option. Here's an example of recording in a quiet room with the smartphone's internal microphone. Sounds pretty good. So if you are shooting video and using the internal microphone either on your DSLR camera or your smartphone, you might be wondering, why doesn't my audio sound good? You have to understand AGC, or auto gain control. This is how your camera or your phone monitors and sets levels for recording the audio. If I'm in a quiet room and I'm the only one talking, then it's going to set levels for however loud my voice is, and it might actually sound fairly decent. But recording audio with the internal microphone of your smartphone won't sound great when you're in a loud location. But if I'm outside and I'm speaking and something louder than my voice happens, a thunderstorm or a car drives by, then the camera will automatically set its levels to that loud sound, making my vocal sound, my voice, at a lower level. And that's why when you're outside, you might not get that great of sound with your internal microphone. So we really only recommend using the camera's internal microphone if you're inside an environment that's quiet and you can control the sound, or if you're just trying to capture the sounds of your environment. So hopefully by now you know how to pick the right microphone for your video shoot. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us with your specific case and we'll recommend the right microphone for you.